Okay, in this video, let us discuss effect of dielectric in capacitors. Here, the second case when the battery remains connected to the capacitor. So, in our previous discussion, we have discussed that what happens to the capacitance of a capacitor when the battery disconnected from the capacitor. So, we have derived some expression for that, and here we are discussing what happens to the capacitance when the dielectric is introduced between the capacitor plate and the batteries remain connected to the capacitor plate. So we are going to discuss this topic in detail. See, since the battery is connected to the capacitor plate, we can say that the potential of the capacitor plate, the potential between the capacitor plate remains same. Potential remains same. That is equal to V0. At the same time, the charge of the capacitor increases. Charge of the capacitor increases. Initially, the charge is Q0. When we are introducing the dielectric, the charge Q is equal to epsilon R times Q0. The charge of the capacitor is Q is equal to epsilon R times Q0. Okay, and what about the electric field? We know that electric field E is equal to V into D, potential into distance between the two plates. But in this case, we say potential remains constant. So the potential is remaining constant and distance between the two plates also remains constant. So we can say that electric field E is also remains constant. Electric field E remains constant. Okay, now what is the expression for capacitance? Capacitance C is equal to Q by V. The expression for the capacitance is C is equal to Q by V. Here Q is the charge and V is the potential difference between the two plates. And we have seen that the potential remains constant. So instead of V, we can write V0. So C is equal to Q by V0. C is equal to Q by V0. And what is Q here? Q is equal to epsilon R Q0. Instead of Q, substitute epsilon R Q0. So we can say C is equal to epsilon R Q0 divided by V0. So what is Q0 by V0? Q0 by V0 is nothing but capacitance of the capacitor before the insertion of dielectric. So that is C. So C is equal to epsilon R C0. So in this case, we can conclude that when the dielectric is introduced between the two plates, capacitance of the capacitor increases because epsilon R is greater than 1. So when you are multiplying a number, when you are multiplying a quantity with a number greater than 1, we will get a greater number. So C is greater than C0. C is greater than C0. That is, the capacitor of the capacitor plate is greater than the capacitance of the capacitor plate before the introduction of the dielectric between the two plates. Okay, next is what about the energy? Energy of the capacitor. Initially, the energy U0 is equal to 1 by 2 C0 V0 square. 1 by 2 C0 V0 square. This is the energy before insertion of the dielectric. After insertion of the dielectric, what will become the energy? That is 1 by 2 U is equal to 1 by 2 C V0 square. V0 is constant. There is no change in potential difference. So we can write V0 itself. But capacitance is changing. So instead of C, we can write epsilon R C0. So 1 by 2 epsilon R C0 V0 square. 1 by 2 epsilon naught C naught V naught square, and 1 by 2 C naught V naught square is equal to U naught. 1 by 2 C naught V naught square is equal to U naught. So U is equal to epsilon R times U naught. U is equal to epsilon R times U naught. It means the energy of the capacitor is greater than the energy of the capacitor before introducing the dielectric. So the dielectric introduce பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கக்கூடிய எனர்ஜி U naught. Dielectric introduce பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் உள்ள எனர்ஜி வந்து U. So இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல இருந்து என்ன புரியுதுன்னா epsilon R ஓட வேல்யூ greater than 1. Since epsilon R is greater than 1, it implies that the energy of the capacitor is increased when the dielectric is introduced between the two capacitor plates and the battery remains connected to the capacitor plate. So from this we can conclude that when the dielectric is introduced between the two parallel plates of the capacitor, when the battery remains connected to it, the potential remains same, 1 point, and the charge increases epsilon R times, electric field remains constant, and capacitance increases epsilon R times, and also energy increases epsilon R times. Okay, now what happened to the energy density? What is energy density? Energy density is nothing but energy per volume. Energy density is equal to energy per volume. So energy density, small u is equal to capital U divided by volume. So instead of energy U, we can substitute 1 by 2 epsilon R. Instead of C naught, we can substitute epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught A by D, and instead of V naught, we can write E naught square D square. So this is actual expression for energy. Substituting the value of C naught, this is for C naught and this is for V naught, divided by volume. So what is the volume of the dielectric? Area into breadth. So area is A and distance between the two plates is D. So A into B. This is the volume. So if you divide this quantity, this A and A can be cancelled, and this D and the square of this D get cancelled, and this D and another D from this part get cancelled. So we have 1 by 2 epsilon R epsilon naught E square E naught square, 1 by 2 epsilon R epsilon naught E naught square. Epsilon R epsilon naught is nothing but epsilon. So that is 1 by 2 epsilon E naught square. This is the expression for energy density. From this equation, it is clear that the energy density is depending on the electric field between the two plates. That is, energy density is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon E naught square. So from this derivation, again we conclude that the capacitance of the capacitor increases when a dielectric is inserted between the two capacitor plates, but in both the cases the method of derivation is different. Even though the capacitors are increasing, in both the cases the method of increasing is different. In the previous case, the charge remains constant and the potential decreases, so the capacitance increases. In the second case, the potential remains constant and the charge increases, so the capacitance increases.